Red Sox right fielder Mookie Betts left Sunday's 4-3 victory over the New York Mets in the sixth inning after hurting himself while making a shot at the plate. Red Sox manager Alex Cora said after the game that Betts will receive treatment on Monday and is expected to play Tuesday afternoon when the Red Sox open a three-game series with the New York Yankees in the Bronx. Cora said the move to get Betts out was preventative. The three-time All-Star leads the majors with a batting average of .337 and is a contender for MVP. In June, Betts came on the injured list with pain on the left side and lost 12 games. Cora said the latest injury was not related to that. "I'll be ready for Tuesday," Betts said, adding that the side does not hurt when he hits, but when he throws it's a bit sore. Betts caught Jeff McNeil's fly in the sixth inning and threw home while Austin Jackson stayed in third. Wilmer Flores followed with another drive to the right, and Betts pitched unsuccessfully home when Jackson scored with the sacrifice fly. Betts dropped to one knee, stretching his left side and back. The team's athletic trainer and Cora ran into the gardens. Betts went slowly and was replaced by Tzu-Wei Lin, who went to the center. Jackie Bradley Jr. moved to the right.